Good day, everyone. I hope you're doing okay. This is just a quick video of herbal medicine. Here I have some chopped up ginger and some garlic. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can just put it in a blender. Just blend them up as I'm doing right now, showing you two different types basically. This is the ginger, old ginger. Right, now mix it in the mixer. Just a little bit stirring. Just stir it up a little bit. I don't want to add any juice to it, so I just want it as it is, so it's much more right. So then you have you've got a mason jar similar to that one. Okay, I'll use the mason jar. Doesn't matter in texture, it's just you just stick this in the mason jar. Okay, as it is, you're just chopping it up and just blend it just a little. You don't really need to make it into a softer consistency. There's no need to mix it with water or such or whatever, just as it is fine. If you can swallow tablets, then this should be no problem for you. Get it all out. Really, this is medicine, really. Stick it in the mason jar. What we're going to do now, we're going to add some honey. Organic honey to it. Okay, honey to it. Stop and stir. Stir with a chopstick, spoon. That's it. The ancient Africans, what you call today the ancient Egyptians, they used to prepare this, give them a greater strength and production in circulation, all kinds of ailments, insect infestation. It improves your circulation, lower your BP, blood pressure, and it decreases your bad cholesterol. Also reduce inflammatory and any imbalance in your body, it fixes. And as you know, with ginger, it's got a compound called phenolic. Reduce risk of heart disease. It improves your brain function. Also support brain health. It aids several types of cancers as well. Ginger. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Ease joint pain. Good for women also on menstrual cycle. Reduce inflammatory, nausea, digestive issue, pain, and loads of the more stuff it does. If you have this on an empty stomach every morning, like a teaspoon, that could last probably around 6 months at room temperature. So like this type of spoon, teaspoon, if you have a teaspoon every morning, I can't really have some now because I just drank in some sake to warm up my day. So there you go. Put a bit more. That's it. There you have it, people. One of the best remedies you could ever have in your house. Garlic, ginger mixed with honey. Sometimes also you can put lime as you can chop up or dice, as I would say, and add some lemon or lime to it. Lime probably would be better because lime is organic, lemon is not. And that's it. There you go. This is a powerhouse, people. Like I said, you can put it in a blender or you can have it just like chopped up fine. The ginger and the garlic chopped up fine like this. This is fine. It's up to you if you can take the swallowing of it. Like I said, if you can take big tablets, swallow pharmaceutical garbage, then this shouldn't be a problem for you because this is actual medicine, the nature's medicine. So there you have it, people. That's it. Now leave that at room temperature in your kitchen, and that will last for up to 6 months. To 6 months, people. Just have a, like I said, a teaspoon every morning. Have a teaspoon every morning, and there won't be no work for doctors if everyone can collectively learn the art of their body and of the plants, herbs and medicines. Natural, God-given medicine. So if you like this video, people, thumbs up please and share. If you want more tips, please subscribe to this channel. Until the next time, love, peace and amen.